Hey there Free Fire fans! Just downloaded the game or switching devices? Wanna log in with your Google account and keep your progress? I got you covered. In this video, I will show you how to log in with Google account in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open up Free Fire on your mobile device. If you are not logged in yet, you will land on the login screen. Now don't just hit guest like a noob. Tap on more or other. This is where the real magic happens. Select Google and boom, you will see a list of Google accounts. Pick the one you want or add a new one if it's not there. And that's it, you are in. Your game progress is saved and your account is linked forever with Google. No data loss, no stress. Bonus tip, if you delete the game or switch phones, just log in with the same Google account and boom, your progress comes right back. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can log in with Google account in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.